welcome back to another video. In this video I want to talk about something that can help you and your family in this hard time with the COVID-19 coronavirus crisis here in the United States. Now, me personally, the company I worked for closed due to the coronavirus. They're not going to be reopening until potentially the summer or the fall time. Now, I'm sure many of you are facing a similar circumstance regarding your workplace closing and becoming obsolete due to the stay-at-home orders being placed across the world. I have found one effective way on how you can make money from sitting in your bed at home that's legit, easy, and worth it to make a little bit of extra cash. So I do also want to mention another thing that you can do is you can apply for unemployment benefits through your state. That's something that can be very effective as well. But if you don't want to do that, you just want to have like an extra little side hustle or something like that, something that's easy and kind of even fun to do, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So what this is, it is something called website testing or user testing. Basically what your job is to give clear, verbal, and sometimes written feedback about a certain website or a service so the developers can make a decision on what needs to be changed or recommendations that they can make in the future, or to see what sort of bugs customers face when actually using the site or service. And I'm going to show you today how you can get signed up with that and how you can start making a little bit of extra cash yourself. The particular one that I'm associated with, by the way, I'm not sponsored or affiliated with this company at all, it's just the one that I signed up for. It's called user testing. On average, you'll make $10 per screen recording you make for a customer. So let's go ahead and jump over to the computer and I can show you guys how to get started. Alright guys, here we are over at the computer. So I'm going to go ahead and now show you how exactly we can sign up for user testing and start getting paid to rate websites. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to hop over to your web browser. Okay, so here we are at my computer. And I'm going to go ahead and open Firefox here. Here we are. Alright, and what you're going to want to do, you just want to go to usertesting.com. And once you're here, you're going to want to click on the box that says Get Paid to Test. Alright, and you can earn up to $60 per test if you do a live call test. And for every test you complete, you'll receive $10 for every standard test. And guys, this is totally legit. You don't have to fill out a W-2 or anything like that to sign up for user testing. This is how the process works. So just put in an email address, and then you're going to need to confirm your email address. Okay, so here we are in my inbox, and you can see I received a email from user testing, and what you're going to do, you're just going to go ahead and click complete your application, and then they'll have you watch this video. I do recommend watching the video. It'll show you exactly what you'll be doing in this, as far as
on to the next tab.
What you're going to be doing with the testing. So this is like a video of what they're looking for. So then go ahead and just press continue, and then once you do that, you're going to want to download the user testing software. And basically what this is, it is their proprietary screen recording software, which will allow you to record the test that you're going to complete. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to have to take a qualifying test. What this qualifying test does is it's a mock test. You're not going to get paid for it, but it's how they can determine if you're going to be a good fit to work with them or not. And then once you complete that, it'll take you a couple of days to hear from them. And then after that, you'll fill out the rest of your profile, put in all of your demographical information, your email, well, they already have your email, and just some other stuff that they need in order to set you up with the right test matches. Alright guys, so that all sounds good and great, right? Okay, here's the catch. It can be very difficult to find tests that you're actually going to get approved for. These tests they're looking for certain types of people who are going to take them and provide feedback, not just any one person. So keep that in mind as you go through this. I've had this software for about a week now, and I've already made $50. I've taken 5 tests, but I've probably filled out over 100 pre-qualification screener surveys, which is what you have to do before you take any test. Another thing you can do in order to be able to get more tests is you can sign up. You can download the user testing app, and then you can also take mobile testings and rate apps from the App Store or Google Play Store. All right, so now I'm going to show you what the dashboard actually looks like once you get approved. So this is my user testing dashboard, and these are the current tests that I have available to me to qualify for. So, okay, I actually have quite a few more. So you can see I have 3 for iOS or Android smartphone, and I have 1 for just iPhone. So if you find these live conversation ones, they'll pay you up to $60 to take these. That means you're actually going to be talking live with a person from a business. Then this is what you'll see for most of the test results. They're going to say, unfortunately, you didn't qualify for this test. That's because you weren't the person they were looking for in order to take that test. But once you do get some tests, you can also use this user testing browser plugin, which is what I've been using. It's a lot easier. So, yeah, and then let me show you. You are rated for the tests that you take. So these are the tests that I have taken. And you need to make sure that you get 5 stars. These 3 companies have not rated me, but these 2 did. And that helps you get more tests in the future if you have a reputable rating. You can see right here I have $50 pending to be PayPal to me. That's how they pay you. They just do a PayPal cash out and send you money through PayPal. There are other sites like this, such as Userlytics, Userfield, Try My UI, that do a similar thing. But user testing is the only one that I've actually gotten to work. So I hope you guys can find some good information doing this and be able to help some businesses make the web a better place and make some money, of course. Guys, be safe, stay healthy, wash your hands in this difficult time. It'll all be over soon, and our life should go back to normal. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out more TeleByte videos, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you later. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video you just watched. If you did, please consider supporting the channel. Click to my right to subscribe, and to your left you'll discover more videos posted by TeleByte. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. See you later.